So now they are talking. Sweet son, come hither. I must talk with you. What is the matter of discussion? That she wanted to make him the king, next king, after his father. Thou weighing his uncle and the next of blood, do look to be protector over the prince. Not I, my lord, who should protect the son, but she that gave him life, I mean the queen. Just he is making drama. Mortimer is making drama that Kent should protect his son, the king's son, the young Edward. It is just a drama. He doesn't wish internally that anybody else should be allowed, because he has decided to be the protector of that new king. So Kent wishes that has given his worth, she should be the protector. It means queen should be the protector. But everybody knows it clearly that Mortimer will only be the protector. Mother, persuade me not to wear the crown. Let him be king. I am too young to reign. And Prince Edward is not ready to be king. He thinks himself just a child to bear this responsibility. So that's why he is wishing that Mortimer himself should be king of England. Why should I? I am just a child. I cannot do my duty properly. So he doesn't wish to be the king of England. But be content, seeing it his highness pleasure, because king has resigned his kingship in support of you, so that you should fulfill his desire also. You should be the king, next king. Let me but see him first, and then I will. He wanted to talk to the king, that really he has wished like that. Why he want to make me the king of this country? Why not he continue his kingship? Yeah, do, sweet nephew, brother, you know it is impossible. Why? Is he dead? He is suspicious already that why these people are not allowing me to meet my father, the old king, whether he is dead. He is asking this question to his mother and Mortimer. No, God forbid. No, it is not the fact. He is not dead. I would these words proceeded from your heart. Inconstant Edmund, dost thou favor him that waste a cause of his imprisonment? He is rebellious, he is angry. Mortimer is angry that Kent is still now supporting his brother, the old king. The more cause have I now to make amends, aside to Queen Isabella. I tell thee, it is not meet that one so false should come about the person of a prince. My lord, he hath betrayed the king his brother, and therefore trust him not. Mortimer is saying to Queen Isabella, please don't trust upon him. Kent should not be trusted, he should not be believed in, because he is the conspirator. Still he sympathies with his brother, but he repents and sorrows for it now. Come, son, and go with this gentle lord and me. Prince Edward, with you I will, but not with Mortimer. Now this is the very instrumental line. This is the very suspicious line, that Edward Prince is getting all the thing. He has no belief, no faith in Mortimer. So that's why he is not ready to go with Mortimer. Rather, he wishes to go with his mother Isabella. But Isabella is supporting Mortimer. How can he leave? Why, youngling? Disdainest thou so of Mortimer? Then I will carry thee by force away. Now he is coming to his own face, showing his real face, bold-faced face, cruel face, that Edward, if you will not come by your wishes, I will force you upon. It means I will drag you to the kingship. That is the situation of a new king. No, he is a powerless king. He is not a powerless because he is a weak king. He is powerless just now because he is a child now. He is a teenager. That's why he is a weak king. He is not weak like his father. He will be a full-fledged king, a very powerful king in the future of England. Help, Uncle Kent, Mortimer will wrong me. he is behaving just like a child. He is requesting his uncle to save him. Otherwise, Mortimer will harm him. Brother Edmund, strive not, we are his friends. Isabella is nearer than the Earl of Kent. Now Isabella openly supporting Mortimer and openly opposing Kent, the brother of the king. Edward is my son and I will keep him. So she doesn't want to intrude anybody else. Mortimer shall know that he hath wronged me. Hence will I haste to Killingworth Castle and rescue aged Edward from his foes to be revenged on Mortimer and thee. And now Kent will go to Killingworth and rescue his brother, free his brother, the old king, and he will revenge this rebellious Mortimer. But what is the fact? The fact is that he is not there in Killingworth. He has been transferred from Killingworth to Berkeley, where there is no access for Kent. Kent cannot approach his brother, the King of England. So at last they all went away. Now this is scene 3.